Welcome back. Feels like an eternity since last time I was out there filming, but actually it's just about a week more than what I usually do. As I said in the previous video, I've been maximizing my exposure to the great weather we've been having. Today is the first day with rain in 2 weeks, and that time there was 2 weeks since the last time it rained. It felt like a great day to come back to the garage and start doing stuff again. Out of whiskey and rum. The motorized bike. Wait! Go check out Kole DeWoody's channel, link in the description. Cool stuff, he's going through the rebuild of a Rotax engine currently, and I really enjoy it. He's not getting too much views, but that's because he's just started and it's hard in the first year actually. So go check it out, great stuff. And he has been he's a patron on this channel, and he has sent me a lot of parts, and he's really contributing. Great guy. Check him out. So this thing, it is actually ages since last time we visited. I have used the battery for something else. I will have to dig it out of the trash pile here and remount it. And I will have to mount the coil again, because I tried it on the SPX. Mount the battery and the coil, and pull the carb and check what kind of a jet is in there now. Totally forgot that I stole the silencer from the motorized bike to use on the SPX. We'll have to weld on the old silencer for the SPX to the pipe I'm using on the motorized bike. The main jet looks to be very similar to a 5mm Delorto jet. No markings on it. Let's see if a 5mm Delorto jet will fit. And find one that looks larger. Yes, maybe. Yeah, so the pitch might be slightly wrong, but it seems like 5mm jets will work. So let's examine the hole here. It's pretty large actually. I might have to, that's smaller, might have to get a set of larger 5mm jets. A 70 jet seems, a 70 jet looks to be about the same size. I don't think I have any larger in 72. I don't think I have much larger than that in these 5mm jet sizes. So that's what I have time for tonight. Sorry, and I will release this as a video, even though there's no conclusion or testing of the engine. But it's just been so long, and I feel you deserve to get a video now. This is Sunday. Coming Wednesday is garage night again, and then we will pull the SPX off the dyno, put the bike on it again, and testing time. And I'll try to get some jets before that, or I'll just buy some drill bits and drill out the one that's in there already. Feels great to be back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Soon.